Dear students, welcome to class 9 mathematics chapter 3 expansion part 2. In this video, we are going to solve some problems with solution. First question is, if a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc and a plus b plus c is 0, show that b plus c whole by 3bc plus 3 plus a whole square by 3ac plus a plus b whole square by 3ab equal to 1. Here in the solution, given that a plus b plus c is 0, that implies b plus c is minus a and c plus a is equal to minus b and a plus b equal to minus c. Okay, so left hand side we will see the question. Left hand side, b plus c whole square is by 3bc plus c plus a whole square by 3ac plus a plus b whole square by 3ab equal to minus a whole square, because b plus c is minus a. So minus a whole square by 3bc plus c plus a is minus b. So we are applying minus b whole square by 3ac plus minus c whole square by 3ac, because a plus b we got minus c. So a plus b whole square implies minus c whole square. So any negative whole square gives the positive value only. A square by 3bc plus b square by 3ac plus c square by 3ab. Okay, now multiply with a on the numerator and denominator for first term, that is a square into a by 3abc plus b square, multiply here both sides in the numerator and denominator with b, so that the value remains same, b square into b by 3abc plus c square into, here divide both sides in the numerator and denominator by c, so c square into c by 3abc. So LCM is 3abc. On the top we get a square into a is a cube plus b square into a b cube plus c square into c cube is equal to 3abc by 3abc. How we got 3abc on the top in the numerator? Because in the question he gave the condition a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc. So we are substituting in place of a cube plus b cube plus c cube as 3abc, by denominator however 3abc, 3abc by 3abc, any number by same number equal to 1. It is proved. Next example, if x plus y is 0 and xy is 16, find the value of x minus y. Here the application of x plus y whole square and x minus y whole square. We have to know x plus y whole square and x minus y whole square expansion. Okay students, x plus y whole square minus x minus y whole square equal to 4xy. Okay, so it implies x minus y whole square equal to x plus y whole square minus 4xy. X minus y whole square equal to 10 square, because x plus y value is given 10. So 10 square minus 4 into xy value is 16. So 10 square minus 4 into 16. 100 minus 16. 64, because 4 into 16 is 64. 100 minus 64 is 36. So x minus y whole square is 36. X minus y whole square is 36. Therefore x minus y is square root of 36. So we can say plus 6 or minus 6. Why? Because plus 6 whole square is 36 only, minus 6 whole square is also same, positive 36. Okay, so the answer is plus or minus 6. Next example, if 3x plus 4y is 16, xy is 4, then find 9x square plus 16y square. Here how to solve it? The solution is, since 3x plus 4y is 16, let us square both sides. Left hand side 3x plus 4y and right hand side 16. We will find the square of it, both sides. So 3x plus 4y whole square equal to 16 square. So 3x plus 4y whole square is 9x square plus 16y square plus 2 into 3x into 4y, that is equal to 16 square. So 9x square plus 16y square plus 2 into 3 into 4 is say 24. So 24xy. The value of xy here is 4. So 24 into 4 is 96 equal to 16 square is 256. So 9x square plus 16y square plus 96 is equal to 256. It implies 9x square plus 16y square is 256 minus 96 equal to 106. Therefore, the value of 9x square plus 16y square equal to 160. Next example is x plus y is 7 and xy is 12. Then what is the value of x square minus y square? We know that x square minus y square is x plus y into x minus y. So we know x plus y, but we do not know the value of x minus y. So to find the value of x minus y, we have to apply the formula x plus y whole square minus 4xy is equal to x minus y whole square. So x minus y whole square is 7 square minus 4 into 12, because in the question the values are given x plus y is 7 and xy is 12. So 49 minus 48 is 1. So it implies x minus y is root over 1, which is also equal to 1. X plus y is 7, x minus y is 1. Therefore x square minus y square is x minus y into x plus y, 7 into 1 equal to 7. So the value of x square minus y square is 7. Then the last example is using the proper identity, show that 3p minus 5q whole square minus 3p plus 5q whole square plus 60pq equal to 0. This is what left hand side equal to right hand side. We have to prove this entire expression is equal to 0. Solution is let 3p minus 5q is a, 3p plus 5q is b. So it comes under a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. Left hand side let us solve. 3p minus 5q whole square minus 3p plus 5q whole square plus 60pq. A square minus b square plus 60pq, that is equal to a plus b into a minus b plus 60pq. A how much? So we assumed that a is 3p minus 5q and we assumed that b is 3p plus 5q. So 3p minus 5q plus 3p plus 5q into 3p minus 5q minus 3p minus 5q plus 60pq. So we get 6p into minus 10q plus 60pq. So minus 60pq plus 60pq. One is a negative term, the other one is positive term. So same terms minus 60pq and a positive 60pq cancels out, which is equal to 0. Therefore left hand side equal to right hand side. Okay students, thank you for watching this video, dear students.